All right, let's take our understanding of independence between variables to the next level. Okay, so we have previously been looking at two-way tables and taking and deciding these things. Are they related or are they not related? Okay, and so I have some additional information here I thought might help. So, first, this one kind of goes with the part of the song about if they are if the two variables are not related, okay? If then they're separate and they are not affecting each other. They are independent of each other. There's no connection here, no relationship. So what's happening is the fact that you are one thing does not change the rate. So then the fact that you are one thing does not change the rate. Okay, so this is like saying the fact that you're a male or female does not change the rate at which you have a particular favorite color. Or the fact that you're a male or female does not change the rate at which your eye color, type of eye color you have. Okay, so the males and females then, so here's what we're saying. The percentages were not affected. Those percentages are the same. The male percentages are the same as the female percentages because the fact that you're a male or female does not change the rate. All right, so then what does that mean? Our graphs will look the same. So we'll have the stacked bar graphs, and those male and female ones, or whatever all the categories are, will look the same because the percentages are not changing. So if the fact that you are male or female is not affecting the rate, your percentages will be the same. They're independent, not affecting each other, not related, have nothing to do with each other. No association, no connection. The fact that you are one thing does not change the rate. The percentages were not affected, and the graphs look the same. Okay. Then we have the other side. The other side says, hey, you know what? There is something happening here. I think the fact that you're a male or female is affecting the rate at which you watch the Super Bowl, or you watch for commercials. You watch it for the game, watch it for the commercials, or you don't watch. Okay, so here's what this is saying. The fact that you are a male or female does change the rate at which you are watching for the game, watching for commercials, or not watching. So there's a connection there. Your gender is affecting what you are doing during the Super Bowl. So therefore, we say the percentages were affected. The percentages were different. Males were watching the game at a higher rate than females, and then we put those numbers, something to that regard. And so then what happens to our pictures? I can't get this to show. Okay, so if that is happening, let's just take these guys away. So if we are having the fact that the fact that you are, they're being affected, then look, our graphs do not look the same, okay, because the percentages for each category are different. Like the male has a bigger for watching the game, and the female has a smaller for watching the game. Because the percentages were affected, because the fact that you're a male or female, the fact that you have a particular gender affected the rate at which you did something. All right, so those graphs do not look the same. They are different. All right, so see if that will help kind of keep those different ideas straight in your brain. Because look at all these different ways we can say the same thing. And it's kind of opposite of what we're thinking. That's why I made the song, because it's unnatural in a sense. We kind of have to look at it from a different vantage point. Okay, so let's just leave this video at that. Making sure we understand if things are related. If they are related, they're affecting each other. If they're not related, nothing happening. Same thing. Graphs look the same. All right. Hope that helps explain that better.